Hey everyone, hey guys, good evening. How are you all doing today? All good, I'm supposing. This is our first lecture on LCM and HCF. Today we'll be covering one of the easiest yet sometimes confusing concept, LCM and HCF. This is our 7th lecture on number system, the first one under LCM and HCF. My name is Amit Surana. I am an educator here with Unacademy. I have been training for over 6+ years and I've trained more than 2 lakh students while doing so. Please do not forget to follow #CatLifeDaily on Instagram the next time you'll be there. This is today's agenda. We'll be covering what HCF is, what LCM is. We'll be looking at applications of HCF and LCM, and we'll definitely end the day with a challenge. Hi Bhaiya ji, how are you doing? The scholarship test this week is planned on Sunday 12 p.m. Please ensure that you become a part of Unacademy Combat. Use my referral code Surana Live when you register. This will enable you to access all free lectures including this test. These are all the ongoing and upcoming batches. This started on the 3rd, this started today, and this will be starting on the 7th of April. These batches are what you should enroll into if you want to ensure that your CAT prep goes the way it is supposed to. Also, I am starting a batch on 12th of April. This batch would be on Algebra. This is available on Plus and Iconic. Yeah, if you want to become a part of any of these batches, all you have to do is take the subscription. Take it before 14th of April, guys, because if you take after the 14th, these would be your prizes. But if you take before the 14th, these are the prizes. The price hike this time is real. Last time, because a lot of you had requested, they had delayed the hike, right? But this time this is happening. So these are the prizes for Iconic right now, and after the hike these would be the new prizes, right? Less energetic than me, right? Shreyashi, hello Nalin. Hi Shreyashi, good evening. Hi Bhaiya ji. Less energetic. All right, you can pick up the Plus subscription by taking 1 month, 3 months or 6 months, but if you ask me, the best ones are 12 and 24 month subscription packages. Use my referral code Surana Live to get your 10% discount. Yes, you can also take the Iconic subscription, the 12 month or the 24 month one. Again, use referral code Surana Live for the discount. Yes. Hi Achal, hello Tane, long time, bye. Oh, take care buddy. These are very difficult times. You cannot afford to get yourselves hurt in any way. Take care of yourselves, Tane. Hi Achal, hello. Okay, so let's start with HCF. HCF stands for the highest common factor. This is obviously with the known fact that we are done with factors, and then we'll be looking at highest common factor, right? So HCF for any given set of numbers, HCF for any given set of numbers, let's say there are two numbers n1 and n2. If they can be written in the form of a into b into c, and n2 can be written in the form of b into c into d into e, then b and c are the common factors, right? B is a common factor and c is a common factor. So since both are common factors, we need the highest common factor among them, right? So b is a factor, c is also a factor, but the highest common factor will always be the product of the two common factors. Yes, b into c. And the HCF is always less than or equal to the given numbers. Yes, it can be equal also. For example, if I have let's say 3 and 6, right? The highest common factor here would be equal to 3. Got it? Yes. Hello Shreya, good evening. Chalo, first let's start with understanding how to calculate HCF. Here's our first question. What is the HCF of 60 and 72? Yes, There are multiple ways of doing this. We can do this using something called prime factorization. You can also do this using your long division. Yes, so we'll start with prime factorization. All we have to do is write down the numbers in this form. So 60 can be written as, 60 is what? 5 into 12, correct? That is 2 square into 3 into 5. This is 60. 72 is what? 8 into 9, which is 2 cube into 3 square, right? So since we are looking for the highest common factor, first let's find out the common factors, right? Common factors would be what? All the terms that can divide both 60 and 72. 1 can divide both these numbers, 2 can divide both these numbers, 3 can divide both these numbers, 4 can divide both these numbers, 6 can divide both these numbers. How about 8? Will 8 be able to divide? No, 8 can divide 72 but not 60. Are you getting this? Yes. 9? No. 10? No. 11? No. 12? Yes. Yes. How about any other number than this? Anything more than this? No. Yes. So 12 is your highest common factor. So what do you basically do is you pick out the factors, right? See, 2 square is common here. Take out 2 square out of this cube, right? So you have 2 square. 3 power 1 is common here, and 3, there's 1 3 here as well. So 2 square into 3, which is 4 times 3, 12 is your highest common factor. Yeah. Apart from this, you can also do it using your division. That is something that we've learned in our school. Yes. What do we do? 60, 72. Start dividing them. Yes, 60 and 72 is divisible by 2. You would have 30 and 36. Again, further by 2, 15 and 18. You can divide by 3, 5 and 6. Post this, there's nothing common between 5 and 6, right? So this becomes your HCF. 2 square into 3, which is 12. Understood? So you can either do it this way, or you can do it this way, or you can use some logic also, right? 60 and 72 both are divisible by 12. Beyond this, there's no other number that can divide both 60 and 72. That's it. Yes. Chalo, beautiful. Now this is for you to try out. Try karo guys. What is the greatest number that will divide 546 and 91? Go ahead, try this. The timer has started. Hi Mansi, good evening. Sakshi says 91, Tanay says 13, Anamika says 13, Shreyashi says 91, Shreya says 13. Good evening Keshav, how are you buddy? How's everything going? Yeah, so look at this. In this case, one of the numbers is a multiple of the other, correct? Here 91 is a factor, direct factor of 546, correct? You know that 546 divided by 91 is 6. Yes, this is a direct factor. So if one of the numbers is a direct factor, or if one of the numbers is a direct multiple, then the smallest number will become the HCF, correct? What is the smallest number here? Your HCF becomes 91. Cool. Yeah, so the most common thing that you should look at is if 91 itself could be a factor of 546. Yes. Now look at 7. We know that 7 can divide both 91 and 546. Yes, but is it the greatest? No. 13 can divide both 546 and 91. Yes, but is it the greatest? No. What is the greatest? 91. Cool. Chalo, great. Superb guys. Now try this out. Now we have more than 2 numbers. We have 3 terms, 513, 1134 and 1215. Yes. Since there are answer choices here, since we have answer choices given here, it makes more sense for us to try out from the answer choices itself. Yes, try out from the answer choices itself. So go ahead, quickly try this out. This should be very simple. Yeah, superb. Shreya, very good. Nalin, very good. Shreyashi. B is our answer. So we don't really have to sit and prime factorize these terms, right? There's no point in doing that. Look at this. This is an odd number. Yes, this is an odd number. So we know for a fact that no factor that is even will be giving you an odd number, correct? So I can eliminate 18 and 36 blindly. Yeah, now for me to check for 33, the number should be divisible by 3 and it should be divisible by 11. And look at the smallest number, 8 minus 1 is 7, not divisible by 11. This is also out. The only number left is your answer, which is 27. Yes, that's simple. Yeah, understood. So make use of the answer choices, guys. Don't always sit and find out the prime factors and then do it. Wherever possible, use answer choices as well. Cool, super, beautiful, guys. Chalo, now here is a question. This is how word problems are made. So I want you to go ahead, read the question, try and answer this. So they're saying there are paneer pieces and there are corn pieces. Yes. There are 36 paneer pieces, there are 54 pieces of corn. What are they saying? They're saying they want each serving to be identical. Each serving should be identical. They're asking what is the greatest number of servings that the chef can create? Greatest number of servings. What does it mean? A number that can divide 36 and that can divide 54, because the number of servings, number of elements should also be identical. Number of pieces of paneer should be identical in all the dishes. Number of pieces of corn should be identical in all the pieces, and the number of dishes should be something that leaves no food left over. That is something that perfectly divides. What does this mean? This means that they're looking for HCF of the number 36 and 54. By the looks of it, it is divisible by 3, but not greatest, not greatest, not greatest. This is our answer. 18 can divide 36, 18 can divide 54 as well. Got it? The key part that you can keep in mind is whenever they ask for greatest something, then 9 out of 10 times it is HCF is what they're asking for. Cool? Chalo, now try this out. Another frequently asked question type, not in CAT anymore because HCF is too basic for them, but for other management entrance test, these definitely get asked. Yes, try this out. So there are 3 different bottles, one with 126 ml, the other with 54 ml, and the next with 144 ml. Yes, they're asking what is the largest cup that can measure all of them. Everybody says C, 18. Very good, beautiful. So look at this, 7 cannot, so 7, if I take a cup of 7 ml, I cannot divide 54 in equal parts, right? So 7 is out. If I look at 8, same problem, 54 cannot divide 8 either, right? Can't be divided in 8 ml tumblers or 8 ml cups. Yes, remaining are 18 and 36. Again, 36 cannot divide 54, so this is also out. Your answer is 18. Yeah, so this is how HCF works. Yes, these are some word problems of it. Now let's go for applications. Where are HCF useful, right? Where can HCF be useful? Apart from finding out the greatest number that can divide given set, that can divide the given set of numbers, There are other applications also, right? If they end up asking for the greatest number that divides A, B and C, but by leaving three different remainders X, Y and Z, yes, then how would you answer that question? Are you getting this? Greatest number that divides A, B, C, yes, but not perfectly divisible, leaving remainders X, Y, Z every time. What you basically do is remove that number, remove the remainder from the number, find out the HCF of that. So A minus X, B minus Y and C minus Z ka HCF if I find out, I'll get the greatest number that will divide all three, leaving the same remainder. Yes, X, Y or Z. What if there is a situation where they're asking for greatest number that can divide, leaving the same remainder every time, but the remainder is not given? If they give us the remainder, X, Y, Z are the remainder, then we can do it. But if the remainder is not given, then what do? You find out the HCF of difference between consecutive numbers. A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. Yes, let's try out some examples. Look at this, try this question out. What is the greatest number that divides 27, 38 and 47, leaving these three remainders, 3, 2 and 5. So the number, when 27 is divided by our number, it leaves a remainder of what? 3. When 38 is divided by our number, it leaves a remainder of 2. And when 47 is divided by our given number, it should leave a remainder 5. And not just any number, greatest possible. 6, everybody says option C, 6, very good, superb. तो look at this, यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा common sense use करेंगे, ठीक है? If on dividing a number, if I am getting a remainder as big as 5, वो 2 तो हो नहीं सकता. Possible remainders in 2 are what? 0 and 1, क्योंकि उसके ऊपर जो भी होगा that will again be transformed into a 0 or a 1, correct? Same thing works for 4 also. 0, 1, 2, 3, these are the only possible remainders. So 5 तो नहीं बनेगा. 2 and 4 are out of the picture. Now we have 6 and 12, right? 6 and 12. Quickly just check. Just check. Will this work or will this work? Quick. Does 12 seem to be working with the last term? यहाँ पे वर्क कर रहा है क्या? You know 48 is divisible. Yes, 48 is divisible by 12. 48 के पहले 36 is divisible, not leaving a remainder of 5. So this is out. Our answer is option C, 6. Yes, but if you want to do this question in the traditional method, then what do? You find out the HCF of what? 27 minus 3, 38 minus 2 and 47 minus 5. So you're basically looking for HCF of 24, 36 and 42. Yes, this is 6 into 7, this is 6 into 6, this is 6 into 4, common term is what? 6. So our answer is 6. Cool? आ रहा समझ में? Yes. Try this one out now. Greatest number that divides 74, 110, 182, but leaving the same remainder. We don't know what is the remainder, but the remainder must be the same term. Yeah, use our concept, the concept that we just looked at. जल्दी से देखो और फटाफट करो try. Mansi says B, 36. Okay. How about others? Nalin says B. Anamika says B. Very good. Super Bachal, Shreyashi, Shreya, Tanay, Keshav, very good. So what do you basically do? You take the numbers and find out their difference among them. Yes, find out the difference between these two and these two. Correct? Always the greater minus the smallest. So what are we looking for? We're looking for HCF of 110 minus 74 182 minus 110 and 182 minus 74. Correct? So what are we looking for? HCF of 36, 72 and 108. Correct? What number will divide? Does 24 divide 36? No. 48? No. 72? No. Only number is 36. Yeah, you can also go reverse engineering on this. Go reverse engineering on this. When you divide 74 with 36, when you divide 74 with 36, what's the remainder you get? 2. When you divide 110 with 36, you know 36 can divide 108 3 times, so remainder is 2. Same way, 182 divided by 36, 36 5 times is 180, the remainder still is 2. Remainder is 2 every single time. Cool? Yes, superb, very good. Done everyone? Chalo, great. Now it's time for a challenge. आज हम 2 चैलेंज करेंगे because this is a short concept. हम 2 चैलेंज करेंगे. Are you guys ready for it? Word problems आते हैं अचल. Yes. Aman, I am doing arithmetic in the afternoon. We are doing number system in the evening, arithmetic in the afternoon. Chalo, ready? I'll put up the puzzle. Go ahead, read this. Timer has started. 3 minutes. Let's see who answers this first. Timer चालू हो गया है. Let's see who answers this first. कैट में भी आते हैं, बहुत कम हो गए अब तो, पहले आते थे बट अभी थोड़ा कम हो गया है, बट ओमेट्स में आते हैं अभी तक. Saurabh says 8. How about others? Saurabh says 8. How about others? Sakshi also says 8. Very good. Saurabh, Sakshi. Other people? Question पढ़ते हैं पहले, समझते हैं. Okay. 4 cups are placed upturned on a counter. Each cup has the same number of marbles under it. Yes. Each cup has a sticker that says the number of marbles on it. The sticker says 5 or 6, 7 or 8, 6 or 7, or 5 or 7. But the question is what? Only one of the stickers is right. Only one of them is right. Yes. This is something that should be kept in mind. The number of marbles under the cups are the same. Aman says 5, Achal says 6, Vikas says 8. Why did I suddenly become Australian? 8. It's the number of marbles, mate. We're doing a challenge today. Mansi Nalin says 6. Okay. Others? So what is the deal? They're saying only one of the stickers is right. Any one should be right. Yes, any one should be right. You have 30 more seconds to finalize on a number. Others who've given 8, 6 or 5, check on your answers. Asim says 6. Aman, there's no saying. ऐसा कोई नहीं बोल सकता कि BBA अच्छा है या engineering अच्छा है. अपनी अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट्स होती है, अपनी अपनी नेसेसिटीज़ होती है फ्रॉम देयर करियर, अपना अपना गोल होता है, उस पर डिपेंड करता है ना. कोई मेरे को आके पूछेगा क्या अच्छी है, मारुति या मर्सिडीज, मैं तो अपने हिसाब से मारुति बोलूँगा, क्योंकि भाई मेरे हिसाब से तो माइलेज मैटर्स मोर दैन लग्जरी. मैं भले ही गाड़ी को कहीं ठोक के एक्सीडेंट हो जाए, बट मेरे को माइलेज ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, राइट. सो मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि एक मारुति एक मर्सिडीज है, बट आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. अमन, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. दे प्रिफर एनीवन हु इज केपेबल. 7, they say 7. Okay, just because I said check doesn't mean these are wrong. Shreya, don't change your answer just because I sound dramatic. No. Okay, so let's go for it. Okay, let's try this. Let's assume that one of the stickers is right. Okay, let's say the first sticker is right, 5 or 6. Yes, if 5 or 6 is right, that means either 5 should be the number of marbles under it, or 6 should be the number of marbles under it, right? Let's say 5 is right. Let's say 5 is right. Yes, if 5 is right, what would happen? This sticker is wrong. 7 or 8 completely wrong. 6 or 7 completely wrong. 5 or 7 is still true. Correct? 5 और 7 is still true. मतलब एक ही स्टिकर राइट होना चाहिए, यहाँ पे 2 स्टिकर राइट है. Would it work? No. Yeah, same way. If I say 6, अगर मैं बोल रहा हूं 6 है तो वापस ये गलत है, ठीक है, बट ये वापस सही हो गया, राइट? दिस शुड नॉट हैपन. ओनली वन स्टिकर शुड बी राइट. दैट मीन्स वी आर लुकिंग फॉर अ यूनिक नंबर. दैट्स इट. वी आर लुकिंग फॉर अ यूनिक नंबर. यस, वेयर डू यू हैव यूनिक नंबर? हियर, 8. दैट इज योर आंसर. सिंपल. समझ रहे हो कैसे? अगर मैं बोलूं 8 करेक्ट है, इफ द नंबर ऑफ मार्बल्स अंडर देम इज 8, तो 5 और 6 स्टिकर गलत है. अंडर दिस कप 8 हो सकता है, बट ये स्टिकर गलत है. इसके नीचे भी 8 हो सकता है, ये स्टिकर गलत है. इसके नीचे भी 8 हो सकता है, ये स्टिकर गलत है. सिंपल. सो एनीवन हु सेड 8, कुडोस. चीयर्स गाइस. चलो आप लोगों के लिए जिन्होंने भी 8 बोला था स्टार्टिंग में. किन्ने बोला था 8? सौरभ, साक्षी एंड विकास. पता नहीं सडनली क्यों मेरे स जैसे आ रहे हैं. सावन का महीना पवन करे शोर क्यों हो रहा है? ओके, चीयर्स गाइस. क्या स्टेटमेंट मिस कर दिया? चल, अच्छा आपने मिस कर दिया. पता अभी पता नहीं अचानक क्यों साक्षी से साक्षी हो गया मैं. आई वॉज नॉट, दिस वॉज माई. ये फिर से एक्सप्लेन करूं? डू यू वांट मी टू एक्सप्लेन दिस अगेन? सी, वन ऑफ दीज स्टिकर्स इज राइट. इन चारों में से कोई एक स्टिकर के ऊपर जो नंबर है वो सही है, बाकी सारे गलत होने चाहिए. बाकी सारे गलत होने चाहिए. मतलब अगर यहां पे मैं 8 बोल रहा हूं कि 8 सही है, नंबर ऑफ मार्बल्स अंडर देम 8 सही है, तो इसके ऊपर 8 लिखा है क्या? नहीं है. मतलब ये स्टिकर गलत है. ये क्या बोल रहे हैं? सिर्फ एक स्टिकर सही है, बाकी सारे गलत है. ओनली वन स्टिकर इज राइट, एवरीथिंग एल्स इज रॉन्ग. तो ये स्टिकर गलत हो गया, ये स्टिकर गलत हो गया, ये स्टिकर गलत हो गया. मतलब 8 इज द राइट आंसर. मुझे शाश्वत, मैंने ऐसा कभी नहीं बोला कि ये रिलेटेड टू HCF LCM है भाई. आपको रेलेवेंट चैलेंज चाहिए ना. यू वांट अ रेलेवेंट चैलेंज, राइट शाश्वत? तो फिर लास्ट में आओ. लास्ट में एक और चैलेंज है. वी हैव गॉट अनदर चैलेंज. चलो, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद लीस्ट common multiple, that is LCM. Yes, we know what multiples are, but let's find out how to go for least common multiple. So if I have two numbers that can be written as A into B into C and B into C into D into E, then what you do here is you first take out the common terms, right? Common factors जो भी है उन्हें निकाल लो. B common है, B को निकाल लो. C common है, C को निकाल लो. ये क्या हो गए? common factors हो गए, right? These are common factors. Now what are we looking for? Multiples. Multiples are always greater than or equal to the number. मतलब अगर इस LCM को अपने N1 से इक्वल करना है तो उसमें A होना चाहिए. Yes, अपने LCM को N2 से इक्वल करने के लिए D और E होना चाहिए. So this becomes our LCM. That's it. So LCM is what? Common terms निकालने के बाद whatever is left. Common terms के साथ whatever is left. Yes, and LCM is always greater than or equal to N1 and N2. GCF, highest common factor, is less than N1 and N2. LCM is greater than or equal to N1 and N2. Yes. Don't worry, Shashwat, I've got something waiting for you towards the end also. Chalo, let's quickly deal with this. Find the LCM of a number 12, of a set of numbers 12 and 18. So you can do this using your standard. Hi Rohan. IP मैट के लिए भी बैचेस चल रहे हैं ना रोहन? आज दोपहर में ही चालू किया था IP मैट के लिए 4 PM to 6 PM, मंडे टू फ्राइडे, यहीं पे सेम चैनल, 4 PM to 6 PM फॉर IP मैट. आज ही स्टार्ट किया, आज ही फर्स्ट लेक्चर था हमारा. Yes, so 12 and 18, then what we are looking for is a number that can be divided by 12 also and 18 also, but it should be the smallest number. Yes, so you can do it using prime factorization. That is 12 is written as 2 square into 3, 18 is written as 2 into 3 square, right? तो इसमें से अपन पहले क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट स्टेप इज टू कॉमन टेक आउट द कॉमन. 1 2 पावर 1 इज कॉमन, 3 पावर 1 इज कॉमन. आफ्टर दैट वॉट एवर इज लेफ्ट, 1 2 इज लेफ्ट हियर, अनदर 3 इज लेफ्ट हियर. दिस इज आवर आंसर. दिस इज व्हाट 6 into 6 36. Yes, you can also do it using the method that was taught in our school, division से. But this time you do it till the end. HCF में आधे में रोक देते हैं. This time you will be doing till the end, right? 12, 18. Start with, but keep in mind to go only for prime numbers. Yes, it's better that you go with prime numbers. So this is 6, this is 9, another 2, this is 3, this is 9 because 9 is not divisible by 2, keep it that way itself. And 3 if you go, this is 1, this is 3, and another 3 will give you 1 comma 1. LCM may you stop only when you see 1 comma 1. HCF may you stop when there is no other number that can divide. So this is what 4 into 9 36. Yes, and even better method to think of this is using logic. What number can be divided by 12 and 18, but it should be the smallest. 72 can divide, yes, but is it the smallest? No. Can 24 divisible by 18? No. Is 48 divisible by 18? No. 72 is, yes, but it's not the lowest. So what's our answer? 36. Done? Chalo. Start. How many of you remember this legendary scene from this legendary movie? How many of you have seen this? ऋषभ, हाँ आ जाओ. CAT 2001 के लिए भी नया बैच स्टार्ट है 4 PM to 6 PM. 4 PM to 6 PM जो नया बैच स्टार्ट हुआ है, that is for people planning for IP MAT and people planning for CAT 2021. Yes. Rohan, yeah, 2-month strategy. Our plan is to cover entire syllabus in the given time. That is why we are doing 2-hour classes. We are doing 2-hour classes to ensure that we cover the entire syllabus in time. Yes. Saswat remembers this movie, but knows this movie, but doesn't want to remember. What, man? This was a legendary movie. Such true love for human beings altogether. B10, very good. Nalin, Anamika, Sakshi, Saurabh, very good. Keshav, very good. Anchal, Wanky, Super Bachal, Akansha, Mansi, very good. Rishabh, not my WhatsApp number, but you can contact me on Telegram. My Telegram handle is Surana Live. The name of the group is Surana Live CAT. Join this group. I'll give you all the updates on this group. Yeah. Chalo, let's solve this question. So what is it? At a family reunion, each of Rose's aunts and uncle is getting photographed once. The aunts are taking pictures in groups of 5. Yes, aunts क्या है? Aunts are taking pictures in groups of 5. मतलब 5x number of aunts है. And the uncles are taking pictures in groups of 10s. Yes, uncles के क्या है? 10y के groups में है. Right? Total number of uncles are 10y. Now they're saying what? If Sana has same total number of aunts and uncles, these two values are equal, what is the minimum number of aunts that Sana must have? Number of uncles and aunts are equal. Imagine the pain that she has to go through having the same number of uncles and aunts. मतलब result के time तो बवाल मच जाता होगा नहीं? So can Sana have 5 number of uncles? No, because uncles has to be in groups of 10 and we can't have half an uncle, right? We can't have half uncle. Yes, so this is out. 10 will work, yes, but what are they asking? Minimum number. 20 will also work, but is it minimum? No. So 10 is our answer. 10 मतलब क्या? दो ग्रुप बने हैं, 2 groups of 5 aunts each, agreed, and 1 group of 10 uncles. That's it. Yes. Chalo. Read this question now. Read this question carefully and then answer, okay? Find the largest 4-digit number divisible by 12, 15 and 18. Quickly answer this. Right, Saurabh. Acha, people who were asking about that movie, it's Get Out. If you haven't watched it, please watch. It's a very beautiful movie, very humanitarian movie. बहुत ही अच्छी movie है ये. It will change your perception towards human forever. You might probably get traumatized after that, might not be able to sleep, might not be able to meet any relatives, but are there any better outcomes of a movie? Nirav, it has already started. New batch for CAT 2021. Why am I writing this on every slide? 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. on YouTube. New batch started. Just started today. It just started today for IP MAT and CAT. Okay. So some of you are saying D, some of you are saying A. Okay. How about others? No, Asim, no. So they're asking to find the largest 4-digit number divisible by 12, 15 and 18, right? 2 ways of doing this. Reverse engineering will definitely work. Reverse engineering will definitely work. Go around the answer choices, find out, pick up the largest first and try it out. Yes. 9,900 is 9,900 divisible by 18? Definitely is. Last digit is even and the number is divisible by 9. Yes, works with 18. Does it work with 15? That is, it should be divisible by 3 and 5. Is it divisible by 3? Yes. Is it divisible by 5? Yes. Because last digit 0 hai. Yeah. For 12, what is the deal? For 12, it is 4 and 3. Is this 9,900 divisible by 3? Yes, it is. Is it divisible by 4? Yes. Last 2 digits are 0, divisible by 4. A is your answer. Finish. Yes, this is using reverse engineering. Okay. But is there an alternative? What if the answer choices were not given? What if this was theta? है ना? What if this was theta? तो क्या करोगे? At that time, what you will do is first find out the LCM, because we want a common number that is divisible by 12, 15 and 18. First find out the LCM. What is the LCM? 12, 15 and 18. 12, 15 and 18 का LCM क्या होगा? Sorry, yeah, 180, correct? 180 is divisible by 18, 10 times is divisible by 15. How many times? 12 times, and by 12, 15 times. Yes, so 180 is the LCM. Now what we are looking for is a number that has to be a multiple of 180, right? Our answer must be a multiple of 180. Yes, a multiple of 180, that is in terms of closest to this 9,999 के closest में 180 का multiple. That is what we are looking for. Yes, मतलब one thing is clear that it cannot end with a 9. Yes, क्योंकि 180 even है, 180 is even, this cannot end with a 9, no odd numbers allowed. तो क्या बचेगा फिर? 8, 7, 6 and so on. 180 is also a multiple of 5. That means the last number should either be 5 or 0. One thing is clear that it has to be 0. So 9,990 बच गया. Yes. What else? 180 is also a multiple of 4, correct? 4 का भी multiple है, मतलब last two digits must be divisible by 4. Is 90 divisible by 4? नहीं, तो इसके closest क्या होगा? Probably 80 से 88, 84, but will that be divisible by 9 then? No, because it has to be in multiples of 9, है ना? Multiples of 9 में होना चाहिए, तो क्या होगा? 9900. This is your answer. बुझे? Guys, did you understand this? Say yes if you've understood this. Have you understood this? Yes. Beautiful. Chalo, great. Now let's go look at the applications of LCM. Right? LCM क्या है पता चल गया, but इसके applications क्या है? How do you use LCM in situations where they ask for remainders and all, right? First, least number that when divided by A, B and C leaves the remainder X, Y and Z. Yeah, leaves the remainder X, Y and Z. First things first, what you have to check is if A minus X, B minus Y, C minus Z is equal to K, only then this will work. Yes, if they are all equal to the same number, A minus X, B minus Y, C minus Z is equal to K, then it's going to be LCM of ABC minus K. Are you able to understand this? Yes. Least number when divided by A, B and C leaves the remainder R each time. Equal remainder every time. Yes, equal remainder every time. K कोई भी constant है, any constant. K is any constant. Yes. So this will be what? LCM of ABC plus R. LCM of ABC जो भी numbers दिए हुए हैं plus the remainder, that will be your answer, है ना? चलो examples के साथ try करेंगे तो समझ में आएगा. Read the question. Find the least number. Least is a hint that we are looking for LCM. When divided by 12 leaves a remainder of 10. 12 से divide करने पे 10 का remainder छोड़े. When divided by 24 leaves a remainder of 22. And when divided by 32 leaves a remainder of 30. This is your quotient, this is your remainder. What would be such number? Anamika says C, 94, superb. How about others? Mansi, Lukesh, Shreyashi, Nalin say C. Mansi again has said B. Mansi says B, 96. Keshav and Saurabh say 94. Superb. Vanki is your name? Vanki by any chance? Is it Venkat? Vanki says 94 again. Superb. Alright, so let's look at this. Logically, how will you answer this? Logically, if there are answer choices, then you don't have to use any out of the box method. Just go with reverse engineering, right? When I divide 98 with 12, will it give me 10 as a remainder? That means 98 में से अगर मैं 10 निकाल दूं, 88. Is 88 divisible by 12? No, it is not. Let it go. If I subtract 96 with 10 from, if I subtract 10 from 96, I get 86. Is 86 divisible by 12? No. This is also out. 94, अगर 94 में से मैं 10 निकाल दूं तो क्या बचता है? 84. Is 84 divisible by 12? Yes, guys. Is 84 divisible by 12? Yes, 7 times. Now, when I take 94, subtract 22, I get what? 72. Is 72 divisible by 24? Yes, 3 times. If I take 94 and I subtract 30, I get 64. Is 64 divisible by 32? Yes. How many times? 2 times. So, what is our answer? C, 94. आ रहा है समझ में? Yes. सो दिस इज योर स्टैंडर्ड, मतलब रिवर्स इंजीनियरिंग लगा के, बट हर वक्त आंसर चॉइस होना जरूरी नहीं है. सो व्हाट यू चेक हियर, यू चेक फॉर द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दिस कोशेंट एंड रिमाइंडर का डिफरेंस. 12 minus 10 2, 24 minus 22 2, 32 minus 30 2. So this is the value of k. K is equal to 2. What do you do now? You find out the LCM of 12, 24 and 32 and you subtract k from this. Yes, 12, 24, 32 and subtract k from this. That's it. है ना? तो what can we do here? So this is 4 3 times, this is 4 6 times and this is 4 8 times, है ना? If I take a 3 from here, now what would be your LCM here? 32 96, correct? What is the LCM? 96. So your LCM of 12, 24, 32 is 96. If I subtract k from here, that is 2, 94 is our number. बुझे? आशीष के ऐड नहीं करेंगे. के इज नॉट द रिमाइंडर. गाइस प्लीज रिमेंबर ये रिमाइंडर नहीं है. दिस इज नॉट द रिमाइंडर. यस, दिस इज नॉट द रिमाइंडर. प्लीज रिमेंबर, रिमाइंडर जब दिया होता है तब आप के को ऐड करते हैं. ये रिमाइंडर नहीं है. ये रिमाइंडर्स हैं 10, 22, 30, ये सारे रिमाइंडर्स है. ठीक है? Are you understanding? What is k technically? अगर आप logically सोचेंगे तो k is basically your negative remainder. k is basically your negative remainder. Yes, मतलब क्या? 12 में से या तो 10 को subtract करेंगे या फिर तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल 94 में से या तो मैं 10 को subtract करके 84 लिख सकता हूं divisible by 12. 94 पे मैं 2 ऐड कर सकता हूं 96 which is also divisible by 12. समझ में आ रहा है? This is called negative remainder. We will talk more about negative remainders की क्लास में, बट अभी ये समझ में आ रहा है? K is not your remainder, it is your negative remainder. ठीक है? What should be added, right? What should have been added to get the actual number? Yes? चलो, now try this out. लीस्ट नंबर, अगेन हिंट के यहाँ पे LCM है, कभी कभी कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं लोग. तो लीस्ट नंबर व्हेन डिवाइडेड बाय 12, 8 and 10, that leaves 7 as the remainder each time. Sandeep, if k was different then it would become very difficult to answer. k अगर डिफरेंट हुआ तो उसका कोई डायरेक्ट मेथड नहीं है. संदीप, there is no direct method to get it. Yes, if k is different, not leaving the same remainder either which ways, then it will become difficult. Then what you would do is you will form equations and then start comparing them. Are you getting this? Let's say the first term that we saw, right, dividing with 12, giving the remainder of 10, your number can be written as what? 12x plus 10. Another way your number will be written as what? जो भी था, whatever it was. Another what was 24 क्या? Something 18y plus जो भी, whatever was the numbers. I don't remember the previous वाला, but you will write it in this form. Okay? Everybody say C, 127. Beautiful. So you can directly divide and check. Otherwise, what do you do? Our method. Our number n will basically be what? LCM of 12, 8 and 10 plus your remainder. Yes, so LCM of 12, 8 and 10 is what? 40 नहीं होगा, 80 नहीं होगा, next number is 120. So 120 plus what is the common remainder? 7. 127 is our answer. That's it. ठीक है? Yes, चलो, beautiful. It's time for another challenge. Are you guys ready for it? Are you guys ready for another challenge? Say yes if you're ready. This is especially for people who wanted something relevant. Chalo. Here's your question. Here's your timer. Go ahead, start answering it. Don't forget to hit like on this video, guys, okay? Read the question carefully and then answer. So we have 20 from Mansi, 121 from Nalin, 120 from Sashwat, 121 from Shreyashi, Sakshi, Lukesh, Sandeep say 120, Pankaj saying 10:06 AM. नहीं, what are they asking? How many times? कितनी बार बजेंगे? How many times will they toll? Not at what time. How many times? Vanky says 120. Any other answers? Keshav says 120. Very good. Mansi says 240. 20 say 240. That is a very big leap, Mansi. 120, 121. 1 मिनट है, आराम से सोचो और फिर करो, लॉजिक लगाओ. 10 AM से लेके 10 PM तक, फ्रॉम 10 AM till 10 PM. Quick. डन क्या हुआ? 118 से सौरभ सिंह बोल रहे हैं 118. और कोई? चलो ठीक है, अब देखेंगे इसको. राइट, लेट्स लुक एट दिस. 3 bells each toll every 1 minute, 2 minutes and 3 minutes, है ना? 3 बेल है. बेल 1 हर 1 मिनट में बजेगा. सो 1 मिनट पे बजेगा, 2 मिनट पे बजेगा, 3 मिनट पे बजेगा, 4 मिनट पे बजेगा, सो ऑन. करेक्ट. बेल 2 tolls every 2 minutes, 2 मिनट, 4 मिनट, 6 मिनट, सो ऑन. And bell 3 tolls every 3 minutes, that is 3 minutes, 6 minutes, 9 minutes and so on. If they should toll together, at what time will they toll together? कब बजेंगे साथ में? Every 6 minutes, correct? क्योंकि यहाँ पे भी 6 minutes आएगा, यहाँ पे भी 6 minutes है, यहाँ पर भी 6 minutes है. Yes, this is basically what LCM of 1, 2 and 3, 6 minutes, correct? है ना? तो हर 6 मिनट में बजेंगे, right? 12 AM से 10 PM. 10 AM to 12 PM. How many hours is it? 12 hours. Agreed? 10 AM to 10 PM, 12 hours. So 12 hours is how many? 6 minutes में 1 बार, 60 minutes में 10 बार, 12 hours में 120 times. Correct? So it is normal for people to say 120 here because that is the LCM and that is the common time that is between 10 AM and 10 PM, right? But listen to this carefully, listen to this part carefully, this is very important, okay? Listen to this part carefully. ये कब होगा? When will this happen? This will happen if they first toll at 10 AM sharp, correct? है कि नहीं? They should first toll at 10 AM. 10 AM को first toll होगा together. Then only then 10:06 को second toll होगा, तब जाके 10:12 को third toll होगा. Yes or no? Correct, Sakshi. So at 10 AM exactly at 10 AM there will be your first toll, है ना? जो अपन ने काउंट नहीं किया, ये 120 टाइम्स में 10 AM के बाद के टोल्स काउंट किए, 10 AM वाला टोल काउंट नहीं किया. सो 120 plus 1, 121 times. Got it? क्योंकि बेल 1 का 0th मिनट, बेल 2 का 0th मिनट, बेल 3 का 0th मिनट, all 3 will toll at 0, है कि नहीं? Do you all agree? Technically, if you ask now, so this is your answer. So everybody who said 121, congratulations guys. 121 is the right answer. कितने लोगों ने बोला 121? Nalin, very good. Shreyashi, very good. Sakshi, superb. Saurabh, very nice. Very good. Narayana, superb guys, superb. Very good, very good. So technically if you look at LCM of 1, 2 and 3 is 6, I understand, right? Why can't it be 0? It should be 0, right? Technically it should be 0, yes or no? Technically in this case it should be 0, no? Do you all agree? At 0th minute, मतलब 0 can be divisible by 1, 0 is divisible by 2, 0 is divisible by 3 also, correct? 0 by 1 is real, 0 by 2 is real, 0 by 3 is also real. तो 0 भी तो होना चाहिए ना, LCM 0 होना चाहिए, right? But the rule says what? कि LCM has to be a natural number. LCM of natural numbers should be a natural number, correct? वरना तो फिर नेगेटिव भी तो हो सकता है. I can go all the way till negative infinity. Do you agree or not? ध्यान से सुनो guys. कि if I want, I can say 1, 2 और 3 का LCM can be -6, उससे भी छोटा -18, उससे भी छोटा -600, उससे भी छोटा -6 million, उससे भी छोटा -infinity तक जाएगा, करेक्ट? So LCM ये गलत है, this is wrong, it can't. Yes, LCM of natural numbers, ध्यान से सुन लो, LCM of natural numbers has to be a natural number. Do you guys understand this? Say yes if you all get it. इसीलिए LCM of any given set of numbers is not equal to 0. ठीक है? Cool? Beautiful. चलो, very nice. Today seemed to be an interesting session. Did you guys all enjoy today's session? I'm planning on keeping this challenge once every day. One challenge every day. Yeah, I'll come up with some more for tomorrow's session. Listen to tomorrow's plan. Tomorrow we are doing 4 p.m. 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. special. Today's special could not happen because of the power cut. It was really a sad moment for me, but anyway, tomorrow we are doing special. We are doing previous year questions on time, speed, distance. I would definitely want you all to be there. This is a free class only. I'll share the link in the group. Yes. After that, we are doing 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. our beginners batch. This is a new batch. Beginners batch. This is for people who are preparing for CAT 2021 and for IPMAT. Yes, tomorrow we'll be dealing with second lecture of percentage. Yeah, and then our usual 8 p.m. till 9 p.m. wala class, where tomorrow we'll be dealing more of HCF and LCM. Yes, lecture 2. Done? Yes. Until 10 a.m. session, if you want, you can attend, but these are previous year questions of CAT. These are previous year questions of CAT, but you can attend because time, speed, distance IPMAT mein hai. Yes, time, speed, distance is tested in IPMAT also, so you can attend this. Yes. Please get yourselves added to the Telegram group, guys. Telegram group ka link is Surana Live CAT. Yes, without a space, huh? Surana Live CAT. Get yourselves added to this Telegram group. इसका link आपको description में भी मिल जाएगा if you want that. Yes, get yourself added क्योंकि यहाँ पे I'll give you all updates. You can also get any doubts that you have clarified. This one is open for discussion also. Yeah. All right, guys, this Sunday you have your Unacademy Combat. Please don't forget to become a part of this. 12 p.m. This is a 1-hour test, free for everyone. Yes, use my referral code Surana Live to register yourselves. Thank you so much, Keshav. The Ask a Doubt feature is available for anyone who is on Plus and on Iconic. Any doubts you have, you can directly ask without waiting for anyone to respond. I know a lot of you have complaints against me कि मैं ज़्यादा respond नहीं कर पाता group में, but you understand why. Ask a Doubt feature is open for everyone who's on Plus and Iconic. Click on Ask a Doubt, select either a picture or take one from your camera, highlight the part where there's a doubt, select which section it belongs to, and you will get your solution to it. Yes. Narayana, IP MAT is for people who are planning on doing their UG. This is actually IP MAT is again a course that is a 5-year integrated course, integrated MBA, right? You get your UG as well as PG degree, वैसा integrated MBA है ना. Top colleges are your IIM Indore, Rohtak. These accept IP MAT, but this is only for UG. You should have only completed 12th for it. सिर्फ 12th complete होना चाहिए, right? Not UG. Okay guys, 14th April last date for old prices. उसके बाद definitely बढ़ रहे हैं. Take my word for it. These are our old prices. These are the new prices. हर package में there is an increase. Yes, if you're planning on taking the 12-month or the 24-month, now would be a very good time, because मार्च में अगर आप अप्रैल में अगर आप ले रहे हो तो आपका कैट, नॉट जस्ट कैट बट अदर मैनेजमेंट एंट्रेंस टेस्ट भी कवर हो जाएंगे, राइट? यू विल बी एबल टू कवर योर जैट जो कि दिसंबर में होता है. यू विल बी एबल टू कवर योर सी मैट, एन मैट, स्नैप, महाराष्ट्र CET, all of this. Yes, even IP MAT for that matter. You can also take the Iconic subscription if you're looking for personalized mentors who will help you at every step of the way, whether it is regarding your exam, the test, applications, regarding your academics, anything, right? So these are the current prices of Iconic. After this, the prices will become this. So before this happens, please go ahead, take the subscription. To take the subscription, use my referral code Surana Live. This will give you a 10% discount. Yes, it will work for Iconic also. There are also no cost EMI options available, so I'd want you to consider that. Thank you very much for being a part of this. Thank you very much, guys. I will see you tomorrow at 10 a.m. Until then, keep yourselves safe, keep yourselves happy. Yeah, states and cities जहाँ पे कल elections चल रहे हैं, please go vote. But when you go, please keep yourself safe, maintain distance, carry your mask, wear your mask. Everybody carries a mask, but nobody wears it, so wear your mask. Carry a sanitizer and use it every now and then. Don't be afraid to use it on people who try to come near you, right? Carry a bottle of pepper spray if you have to. Self-defense, this is the best form of self-defense. Yeah. Thank you very much, guys. See you. I'll see you tomorrow. Keep yourself safe and happy. Good night. Take care. Keep learning, and let's crack it.